Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from Down4soundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be going over an in-depth tour of the Down4sound JP63 amplifier. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of Down4soundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this video, guys. We're going to get into the nitty-gritty on this amplifier, show you all the details and features of it. So first of all, we're going to show you the beautiful box. Name somebody that has cooler packaging than Down4sound. Don't worry, I'll wait. All right, we waited long enough. There ain't nobody else that has them like we do. Check this out, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Even though most of you throw your boxes in the trash, which if you want to free helpful tip, don't ever throw away your amplifier boxes. Trying to box up an amplifier, whether you sell it or send it in for repair or whatever it might be, it's hard to find a box that fits an amplifier like the factory box does. So put it up in your attic, whatever, just put it out of the way, but don't throw them away. All right, let's go over the features of the Down4sound JP63. 14.4 on the voltage. RMS power, you're going to get at least 6,300 watts at 1 ohm. RMS power at 2 ohm, you're going to get at least 4,300 watts. RMS power 2 ohm linked together, 13,500 watts. You get your Bluetooth bass knob with this one, just like all of our other big boy amps, the 33, 43, 63, and 83. Let's pop this thing open and see what it looks like. The color of the box may be giving it away a little bit. Might be. All right, let's get this beautiful amplifier out of here. Beast of an amp. Oh. They get a lot heavier the bigger they get, for sure. So you get all your Allen keys, your plug-in for your Bluetooth bass knob there. It's out of the way, and we will undress this one with the back side showing to you. Alright, so let's flip this over, get that out of the way. And to this side we go. So you can see that beautiful finish on this thing. Man, what a clean amplifier. I mean, of course I'm going to be a little biased on it, right? So let's go over the features of this and the pricing for this amplifier first. I know that's a big determining factor for people. $1,099 for this amplifier. Just over $1,000 for a Korean built 6K is ridiculous. Ridiculously cheap, that is. So same as our other amplifiers, we have the heavy duty Tiffany style RCA connections, status indicator lights here, power protecting clip. On the crossover you got your gain, subsonic, low pass filter, and phase. Master and outputs, master and slave options here. If you want to strap two of these amplifiers together, you can do so with that feature. 4 gauge on the speaker wire output terminals, which is ridiculous. And then coming to this side, we got triple 0 gauge inputs for your 0 gauge, for your connections here. Ridiculous. This is so overbuilt, and the heat sink on this is doubled up as well to dissipate heat like no other. These colors pop. If you have them in your build and you have them in the sunlight or the sunshine on them, it's going to be ridiculous in a great way. All right, let's flip it over, show you the back. Beautiful as always. A little dust on there. Oh, it's gonna have some fingerprints on there. Anyway, heavy duty plexiglass window like on all of our amplifiers. Bluetooth chip right here to run the Bluetooth bass knob. Heavy duty high flow fan helping you keep these bad boys cooled off. Only the best components for you guys in here. It's going to be a very, very nice amplifier. A hidden message on this amplifier, can you see it? It's right here, right up here. Zoom in there, get it focused. So it says Clearwater. If you're from Florida or you've ever been down in that area, you probably know it's some of the most beautiful water. Clearwater, Florida. It probably reminds you of this color of this amplifier, right? Again, this thing is just over $1,000 for a beautiful amplifier. Let's get the measurements on this. So on the width for the JP63, we are looking at right at 21 inches, including the terminals and mounting feet. 21 inches on the width, which for a 6K is a very small footprint, if you ask me. And then on this side, the width should be very similar to the other amplifiers because they use a similar case. So on the width, 9.5 inches. And on the height, we're going to go with the 3-inch on the height. And don't forget to get your little handy dandy Allen keys, nice adjustment screwdriver for your crossovers, and your plug for your Bluetooth bass knob. And last but definitely not least, is something that nobody else is offering, which is a Bluetooth bass knob with all the functions that we have on here, which is your power protect, your clipping, your temperature readout, all that good stuff. So don't forget about that. Alright guys, appreciate you checking me out in another video. If you were to get a JP63, what subwoofer would you power with it? Drop it in the comment section below. And also, if you have any more questions about this, drop those in the comment section below too. If I see them, I'll try to answer them for you so we can get you taken care of. Again, $1,099 for this amplifier is a steal of a deal. You can check it out by going to the description and clicking on the link. It'll take you right to this amplifier. See you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.